Accessorizing the Tesla Cybertruck is one way to stand out from the others on the road. One man has accomplished that goal with a spare tire carrier, but the execution might be a bit off the mark. This is a Wilco off-road spare tire carrier, bolted up to a Cybertruck. There are no physical modifications or alterations required. The two go together almost as though they were built for it. But tire carrier creates some problems. First, it directly blocks the rear view camera. On the Tesla Cybertruck, it's the only way to have any sort of rear view mirror if the tonneau cover is closed. The setup blocks the license plate, which could pose legal implications based on location. The length and angle of the carrier and spare tire appear to create a worse departure angle for the truck. Finally, the way it looks. Probably not going to win any beauty contests with it. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section.